Hank, you're on. Well, I thought you were playing with that. Here, look. Here it is. Ah. Ah. Yeah. You throwing it? Okay, let's see. Yeah. Hey, happy boy. Happy boy. Yeah, you would be a skateboard riding guy if you didn't have a bum leg, wouldn't you? Big old friendly smile. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm friendly unless you want my toy, lady. Yep. Yeah, my high school mascot was a bulldog, just like you. Yep. You like throwing your own toys? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Looks like Asher's getting in trouble in there.